see what I need to take off. That's a transfer case, I think. I don't know what to call it. That's a drain plug. Where's the oil filter? Oh, I forgot it's on top. One's going to drain it. Let's see what else I need to grab. Maybe a 15. No, it's a 14. Yep. Snap on 3/8 ratchet, flexi. Did I break it off? Yeah. Yeah. You're tight. I don't want to round the head. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh. You are tight. You're tight. Ain't no stop on, but if you get the job done. Almost there. Yep, you are dirty oil. Don't have a gasket, so I'm gonna have to reuse it. Yeah, you drain enough. See in your popper hole, can't see. Come on. There we go. Found your proper hole. Grab my new used snap-on 3/8 ratchet, digital, 30 foot-pound. There we go. Always make sure you clean your tools. Should be straight. I put you away. Come on. I need to grab this. X4615 right here. A bit small, but that's what it takes. Let's see if I can try on my bare hands. Yeah, I'm too early. I think it's this size. Yep. Subaru oil filter, made in Indonesia. Here it is, next to the oil filter. Nope. No. OW20 takes 4.7 or 6. I don't think I remember. And you're almost out of oil. OW16, OW20. Where's the OW20? Here it is. Trash. Takes 4.7, so we should be right in this area. And no, keep going. And stop. No, keep going. And stop. Uh-oh. Did I spill? Nope. Uh-oh, overfill. Want to clean that. That's why you always pour it slowly. Yep, you're on that dot. Okay, I need to add the washer fluid. Now I'm done. Five, 3, 26. What's the mileage? It is 92,219, so it would be 97.
Damn, Josh, what we do to this one, man?
Oh, we're changing the rotate.
Hell yeah, got that done fast as shit.
Yep.
Goddamn, every fucking line. Is the car running?
No?
Oh, okay.
Okay, for the clutch, start the engine, put the, release the collar, in reverse. I'm gonna have to air out the tires. I want to air up off camera. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. And I see you on the next video.